Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to use Assistive Touch and how to customize Assistive Touch in such a way you can control your all basic controls using only the thumb. Here I am using iPhone SE to show how to use Assistive Touch effectively. You can do these configurations or settings in any other phones like iPhone 6s, iPhone SE, new iPhone SE, iPhone 7, iPhone 8. It can be configured on all the iPhones and iPads. To enable the Assistive Touch, first you need to go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on General, then tap on Accessibility, then scroll down and tap on Assistive Touch. Currently it is turned off. Now we will turn it on. Now it is visible on the screen. I have already customized in such a way. Only using thumb I can control all the buttons that are on the iPhone. We can see here the Assistive Touch main menu already arranged in a way same as the iPhone buttons. The left side of the iPhone, at the top we have mute and unmute button, and below that we have volume up button, and below that we have volume down button. Same way we have arranged the Assistive Touch main menu with the mute, volume up and volume down buttons. At the center we have home button and notifications, and at the right side of the phone we have lock screen and app switcher. For iPhone SE the lock screen button is at the top, and for iPhone 6s and 7 it is at the right side. Now I will show how we can use these controls. After that I will show how we can configure or arrange these icons in Assistive Touch main menu. When we single tap on the Assistive Touch, it will open the main menu. Here we can control the volume. This is how we control the volume, and we have a mute and unmute button that is keeping the mobile on silent and on the ring mode. Then we have notifications. This is how the notification works. Single tap on the Assistive Touch, then hold down the home button. It will activate the Siri. And if you tap and hold the Assistive Touch button, it will take the screenshot. When I double tap on the Assistive Touch, it will switch the app switcher. We have two options here, double tap. Also we can go to main menu and select the app switcher. Now we'll show how to arrange these controls in Assistive Touch main menu. Go to Settings, then go to General, then tap on Accessibility. Scroll down and select Assistive Touch. It is turned on already, and we can turn it off and we can turn it on. Also we have the option to change the opacity of Assistive Touch. We can increase and decrease the opacity of the Assistive Touch button, and we can custom the actions. For single tap I have selected open the menu. There is a right button in front of open menu. For double tap it will switch the apps. For long press it will take the screenshot. You can change this to any other controls. And also we have a long press duration here. You can increase or decrease the long press duration. Let's tap on Customize Top Level menu. We have an option to increase or decrease the icons or controls here. So here I will add one more control and tap on the plus icon, and I will show what all controls we can add to this top level menu. Here we can see there are a total of 8 icons. From those, 6 of them are already assigned to some operation or control. We can also see there are 2 empty icons. Let's add a control to these icons. First we will add a control to the center plus icon. Just tap on this plus icon and I will select notifications for this icon and tap on done. Come back, tap on the assistive touch. We can see the notifications there. Let's tap on customize top level menu. Then for the another one I will select rotate screen and come back, and we can see this icon is assigned with the some operation.